Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel IndianCuisine. Today we are going to make Dal Makhani and we are making it with black lentil. I have took 1 cup of black lentil and soak it for 1 hour. For Dal Makhani, what we have to take is onions chopped, ginger and garlic chopped, green chilies chopped, tomatoes chopped, 1 lemon juice which we will add in the end, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder. I also have cream, tomato paste, curry powder that is optional, cumin powder and whole spice powder. For Tarka, I have ghee. If you want, you can use butter as well. I will cook my lentils in oil and I put Tarka of ghee in the end. We will take 1 cup of oil. My oil is hot and now I am putting my onions in it. With my onions, I will add some cumin and some curry leaves. I will fry my onion on medium flame so that it does not get burned quickly. It gets soft with the time, but it does not burn.
One eternity later.
Viewers, you can see now my onions are getting soft and start getting brown. At this stage, I will add my chopped ginger and garlic and green chilies and fry them. I have added 1 green chili, but you can add according to your taste. Now it starts getting fried and the aroma is coming out. Now I will add my turmeric to it. And fry it quickly so it can't get burned. Then I will add my tomatoes to it. Now I will add my red chilies, that is 1.5 teaspoon. As tomatoes release its water, our red chili will not burn, otherwise we have to add water to it. I also add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon curry powder. If you don't have it, it's completely optional. Now I add little water and stir it and let it to be a paste for 5 minutes. I'll cover it and wait till tomatoes get softened. Viewers, you can see my tomatoes get softened and the oil has released. I will just quickly fry it. Now I will add my soaked lentils to it. I will add water to it so that it can get tender and I'll cover it.
One eternity later.
Now I will add salt to it. You can add salt as per your taste. I have added 2 teaspoons. I will add 1 teaspoon cumin powder. I will add 1 teaspoon whole spice or Garam Masala powder. Now I will add 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Now I add 1 tablespoon tomato paste. I also add 3 tablespoons of water. Again, we will cover it for 10 minutes so that all the spices and salt get infused in the dal. Okay viewers, now you can see the condition of dal makhani. It is about to get ready. It's got thickened. Now I will add 1 lemon juice to it. If you want, you can add half lemon juice as well. It is totally up to you. I'll stir everything. Now I am adding fresh cream to it, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. After adding cream, I'll again cover the lid for 5 more minutes. Viewers, now I am going to put my tarka over it. I heat clarified butter or ghee, and now I am adding 1 teaspoon dried mint powder to it. Now I will again heaten up it and put it in the dal makhani. Viewers, you can see the position of dal makhani. Now I will add tarka to it and then I will serve it. My dal makhani is ready. Now I will show you the presentation. Viewers, now I have prepared my salad. Chaat masala is also ready. Now I am garnishing my dal makhani with coriander leaves, ginger julienne and spring onions. Viewers, give it a try. Share your feedback with me. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next video, thanks for watching.